Hey guys, it's not Korea.
And it is JoseySuperStar.
No, but really, it's not Korea.
And it is JoseySuperStar.
And today we're becoming our favorite stuffies. We're just going to be doing our makeup themed from our favorite stuffies and becoming them. And obviously it's crazy because looking like a cat is crazy. But it's gonna be so fun, and keep watching if you want to see how we got it done. Alright, so hey guys, as you can see, I already have my eyebrows on and our camera shut down, but Josey had just put on concealer, and so we're just gonna start from there. Sorry that you guys skipped that part, but oh well. Alright, so let's get started.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a little face using this palette. First, I'm gonna put on yellow.
I'm just gonna take this white and pack it underneath my brow. Obviously they're crazy because I'm supposed to be a cat. And if you've ever had a cat or seen a cat, you know they have crazy eyebrows. So then I'm just gonna take the black and then put it in my crease and kind of curve it out. And I'm gonna do it higher than my actual crease.
Well, so I can't see the yellow.
That's because you've got melanin.
What that mean?
That means the color in your skin. Because you're dark.
Oh.
So yellow might not show up. So what color comes after yellow?
Blue?
Yeah. And I'm gonna bring that out a lot more than you would like on a normal cut crease type of thing. Alright, so now I'm going to take the white and a bit of this, as weird as it sounds, this mint color from this palette comes off kind of gray, so I'm going to use that as a gray to be blending it.
Oh, Kaya, I see it.
Yeah.
So after green is blue. After use dark blue or light blue? Light blue? No, it's not going to show up.
Alright, so now I'm going to take that same concealer that I used underneath my eye, the part that you guys actually didn't see. I'm going to cut the crease. In a bit of a S shape.
The blue's not showing, so I'm just getting a little of this spray.
And that spray is called rose spray. Then I'm gonna blend that with the same brush I used to blend the whites. I just remembered you guys didn't see that part because camera shut off. I'm just going to blend that and put some white shadow.
The color is next is purple. Purple. So I'm gonna do is use purple, and then I'm gonna put it on my nose, and then I'll do it all the way to right here.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wing it and use this eyeliner. Hello, get it? Wing it?
That's 2 minutes long.
Let me see. Girl, you didn't hit your face. You didn't get it on your face. So now I'm gonna do the wing. So I have my very unclean eyeliner. And I'm just gonna bring that all the way into my inner corner.
Okay, pink. And the color pink. Blue is pinky.
So I just remembered that Kirby has pink eyes. So on the white, I'm going to fill that in with pink now. Just because, why the heck not? It'll look really cute and it reminds us that her eyes are pink. So I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild brush to just pack in the pink right there.
Put it right here.
Wherever you're gonna use it, hon. So this pink seems to be working a little better on the white shadow, and that is the pinks from the Brazilian, or Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. Josey.
That's funny. That was a little bit. You have your own man.
Girl. Here, use it then.
Okay, now I gotta do pink. Oh, now I'm gonna do yellow. Well, the yellow don't show, so let's forget. Put that underneath the pink. Oh yeah, it's showing.
Okay, so I think I cleaned it up decently. It's not gonna be perfect. I actually don't want it to look perfect because I don't really care, because it's just a silly fun video. So, like, I'm not trying. LOL. I'm just having fun with my little sister. Right, Joe?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna use some more black and make a bit of a cat shape. And I'm just gonna blend that.
Okay, now I'm gonna use yellow.
Okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and
Oh, there we go.
add some white as the contour.
Okay, I'll do eyes.
I'm just going to use this eyeshadow from the NYX palette as a base to kind of just make my face
I just don't need this anymore.
more gray.
Well, I still need it.
Yeah, you do.
Okay. Pretty, swoopy. I gotta start with this eyebrow first because it's I like it.
Okay, then I'm just going to take some black and use that as my contour.
There we go. It looks great, huh?
Yes.
Now I need to use black again, and I'm gonna do the spots because my little girl has spots everywhere. I'm just gonna use C.
I'm just going to add some blush.
So I'm using this one again.
And outline it.
Okay. Okay. Now instead of doing it on my eye.
Just like that.
Do it everywhere, everywhere.
Everywhere, beverywhere?
Everywhere.
Girl. I'm going to go ahead and add some more pink to the nose, I think, and then I'm going to do my lips pink, and I'm going to do her stripes.
Okay, so now I gotta do pink eyes. The nose is a upside down triangle. So first I need to do black. I get it, my nose to get the baby like my sisters. I don't need, girl, I don't want it to do black.
You want to do pink?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's so blue. They color it in.
Let's see. Okay, so just pat some pink on top. This is crazy. Okay. I'm going to do pink just on the top lip. I'm gonna do this lipstick and then I'm gonna pat it with pink on top.
Okay, my eyes. Okay, the pink supposed to go right here. So I'm just gonna use this pink right here. Here, this pink right here. Okay, so I'm gonna close my eyes.
So I'm adding this white eyeliner to just give it more texture and look
Just
less
need a
crazy.
little.
Even though it's still gonna look crazy.
Oh. Since I'm so good at doing makeup, I just blend.
I'm going to use one of these white highlighters on here in this BH palette.
Do I look like Saka?
Yeah, a little bit. A lot, actually. You look just like her.
Let me see. Yeah, you do look like her.
Alright guys, so we actually both had to use the restroom, so we ended up doing the rest of the look off camera. And yeah, I couldn't find any of my mascara, but this is it. This is us becoming stuffies. Let us know if you want to see more really weird, silly videos like this. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.